What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In this video, I'm going to be covering a company where they currently have three different types of jobs. They have call center jobs, they have technical support jobs, and they also have jobs in market research. So they don't have any posted positions per se, but what they do is they always invite people to come on over and to apply, and they will then go ahead and match you with any positions that they have. But this company is in the business of outsourcing, so usually they're always hiring for the most part. So anytime you come over here, you can actually upload your resume, put an application in, and you can get a job. And this company does everything fully remote, so that is a plus as well. So that's what I'm going to be covering in this video, so be sure to stick around to the end so you can hear all about this company where you can have a job. Again, they do call center outsourcing, so this is going to be jobs in customer service or even management or supervisory positions in customer service. Also, they do technical support services, so a bunch of tech jobs will be there as well. And also they do market research. So if you're interested in any of these three things, then be sure to stick around to the end of this video. Now, with that said, if you guys haven't already done so, be sure to go over to the Work From Home channel, which is my new channel where I'm currently posting brand new job leads every single day. These are brand new jobs, brand new companies. I actually just posted another video there, so you could go over and see that video. That is a brand new job opening, brand new position that you can apply to. But from time to time, I post many different types of jobs here. So recently I post tech jobs, which could pay you $100,000 per year or slightly over $100,000 per year. And these were tech jobs that you could do remotely from home, didn't require you to be on the phones. Also, there are other jobs like worldwide remote jobs. Here's an AI data trainer where you can work from home and you can make up to $27 per hour, and this is a worldwide job. You can do this from anywhere in the world. So I have worldwide jobs here and jobs for the US and Canada. These are jobs in data entry, jobs in customer support, jobs in technical support, jobs in insurance, jobs in sales, jobs where you don't need any experience. They provide you with paid training, even provide you with free company equipment. They'll even give you a stipend to help set up your home office. So a lot of jobs here, so be sure to go over here and subscribe. And when you do subscribe, be sure to tap the notification bell. That way you never miss the updates of when I post new videos, because I post a brand new job lead on this channel every single day. So with that covered, let's go over to the company that I want to talk about today. So this is going to be working at this company. It's RDI, and I've covered this company before on my other channel as well. But here, they're in the business of call center outsourcing. So they provide different services, but they do this for other businesses. So they do call center outsourcing, they do technical support services, and they do market research outsourcing. So you could get a job here doing any of these things. So for instance, call center outsourcing is basically capturing all forms of communication, as it says here, primarily phone calls that come in inquiring about services or services of the businesses that they're contracted with, that they're providing this service to. So as an agent here, you would be answering the phone, screening calls, and providing information about services that these companies offer. So that's what a call center agent would do here. As for technical support services, it is going to be kind of the same thing, but with technical support, it's going to be with you providing support for tech issues. So here it could be IT consulting, manage IT service, infrastructure, IT security. So a bunch of tech jobs would be available here if you were to work for this company. Also, if you take a look at what we do here on this website, it shows a bit more of what they do. So healthcare, IT services, infrastructure, voltage, manage network security services, manage IT services, IT security, IT help desk services, IT consulting. So those are going to be some of the positions that they would have available here as well. So if you're into tech or you're looking to get there, then you can look at some of these jobs. Now, if we go over to careers, it's actually going to take us to a page They don't really have any job listings here, and usually they don't have job listings on this website. But what they do is they tell you a bit about themselves, and then they tell you to go ahead and apply for a position here. So basically, you can look at some of the benefits that this company does provide, but really the only thing to do here is to hit apply now, and that will take you over to this portal where you can create your account, and then you can create a job application. So you can hit create new application, and then you can go from here. But that's basically what you would do here. Now, if you've never heard about this company before, I did find them on Glassdoor. They have over 700 reviews, really good ratings here. Industry average is 3.5 out of 5 stars. They have a 4.3. So people seem to really enjoy working here. As for salaries, we could look at some of the salaries here. For example, customer service. Here they get paid anywhere from $29,000 to $39,000 per year. Call center agent, it's kind of around the same, $28,000 to $39,000 per year. And these salaries will be dependent on exactly what you're doing in that particular job that you're doing, because remember, they're going to have multiple opportunities here in customer service, and also they'll have other opportunities in tech as well. So again, someone working in technical support here makes anywhere from $32,000 to $48,000 per year. So if you were to do that side of things, that's what you could expect to make here. Now, I did try searching for a couple other jobs or job positions that could be here, but I wasn't able to find salaries for a lot of them. So you could go through and see what salaries are here. But currently they have some other jobs even listed on Glassdoor here, but these aren't remote positions. But again, if you're looking for remote work from home jobs, you can definitely find some at this company. So with that said, be sure to go ahead and apply if you are interested in any of these types of jobs here. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.